Hey, in this video, I'm going to explain how you can have a dynamic catalog, how you can manage your Facebook catalog through Google Sheet. So let me hide this. Okay. So this template catalog, what you see in is what exactly I have here. I uploaded this entire data feed here. So all the brand and laptop info, you can find it in the catalog. So every time when a product is out of stock or it's not available, you need to either update the catalog file, or you need to re-upload the data feed again, or you have to go to that particular, you need to open a particular product and edit the item status. So this will be little not a viable solution. Every time you have to open up the commerce manager and have to do this process. So instead of that, what I have done is I made the same copy of that sheet here. So and I added a status field here. I will explain this in this video why this status is added like this. So also I have added a couple of other things like a category or cost, like this is depending upon your use case. In my use case, I don't want to show all the categories, I don't want to show all the laptop products. I just want to show based on the category. I want to filter it and show it's like more like a product recommendation. Based on the user input, I'm collecting the information and I'm filtering the data, and I'm showing what all product has to be showed. So let me give you an idea about the how it look like in the backend. So here you can see I'm asking for the laptop category and price category. These two information I'm looking inside the Google Sheet. So currently I can here you can see there's a category, and we are looking at which is within the price category, and there is a status bar. Status is true. If the status keyword is true, then only based on these conditions only it will filter the items from the that Google Sheet we have. So let me show you how the preview will look like. So here you can see we have because we made the status true, we only have one condition. Based on that, it is loading everything in that catalog here. So we have all the information here. We are then we need to save into a JSON file, JSON variable. After that step, we need to get the ID. We need to store this ID, because this ID is what we have in the matching to the content ID in the catalog. So for that, I think I use the return all of the values for a given key. So I provided the key, which is ID. So from that, if there are multiple products selected or in that filtered, we will get the ID values. So after that step, I have given I have a JavaScript added. So like if we have multiple items filtered, it will look like this. We need to remove the square brackets. So I added a JavaScript function to remove all the square brackets. Then we get the value like this, the ID value, which I am storing into a variable. Then we are inputting this value to the our catalog, where we can input the ID. So like this way, it will only display the ID that is been stored in this variable. So that way, if you are if one of the product item is missing, you can uncheck it. So it will not be stored in the JSON. So we can we can manage like that, dynamically update that. So I hope this is I don't know how useful this video. I found a solution like that, I thought of sharing it. So I hope this is a informative video, and if you have any questions, like yeah, feel free to ask me. Thank you.